The country of Germany seems to be obsessed with white asparagus. They consume more than 150 million pounds a year. That's a lot of white asparagus. Americans, myself included, prefer the taste of green asparagus. And as an added benefit, you can make asparagus fries out of them. In this video, we're gonna show you how to make those fries without using a fryer and how to kick them up a notch by adding a wonderful lemon garlic aioli dip. So we're gonna talk about the Germans' obsession with white asparagus a little bit more in a minute, but first we start our lemon garlic aioli dip. First we add the zest of half a lemon to half a cup of mayonnaise, and also the juice of half a lemon. Then we mince one garlic clove. And we add about 1 tablespoon of good olive oil. We season it with a 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Whisk it all together and then put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour so all the flavors can blend together. Next we prepare the coating for the asparagus fries. First we separate the egg yolks from the egg white for a total of 3 egg whites. Then we add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the egg whites. We whisk it all together until well combined. And then we pour it in a shallow container. The egg mayonnaise mix is basically acting as a glue for the breading to hold on to later on. So next we pour 1½ cups of homemade coarse breadcrumbs into a shallow bowl. You can also use Panko if you want to. And we add ½ cup of grated parmesan cheese. We season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. You want to mix the breadcrumbs really well so that all the spices are evenly distributed. So now we can prepare our green asparagus. We use 1 pound of medium-sized asparagus. You want to trim off the ends of the asparagus because they're too tough to chew. I absolutely love the color of these. Look how nice and fresh they look. So coating the asparagus is a very simple 2-step process. You work with 1 asparagus at the time. You dredge them in the egg white mix first. Then you press them in the breadcrumbs. Make sure they're coated all around. Then lightly shake off the excess breadcrumbs. And then you place them on a parchment-lined sheet pan. And then just repeat the process until you're done with all the asparagus. White asparagus consumption in Germany has dropped slightly over the years. I feel like the younger generation does not enjoy white asparagus as much. The traditional way to prepare white asparagus is to cook them in water or sometimes broth, serve it with potatoes or ham, and then pour liquid butter or hollandaise sauce on top of them. In my opinion, not a particularly exciting dish. So now we cover the asparagus fries with a olive oil spray. We are not going to deep fry those. Instead, we are placing those into a preheated 425-degree oven. And you want to bake those for 12 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. Ooh, I think those look fantastic. By the way, if you enjoy our cooking videos, leave us a like or subscribe to the channel. We are a small channel, so your support would mean a lot to us. So to finish them up, you want to sprinkle them with a little bit of grated parmesan cheese and add a little bit of parsley. By the way, if you enjoy unusual fries recipes, check out our next video for flaming hot Cheetos fries. I thank you all for watching. Yours truly, Linda and Stefan.